So let's continue. Let's try to apply the rules in a 5 by 5 magic square. So let's start with one here. We can always we can start with the different number, but we will just try to start with one right now. Let's have one here. Then imagine that there's a box over here. Then we go down over here. So let's have 2. We have 3. Imagine there's a box here. We go on this corner. So that is 4. 5, and since there's a number here, we cannot go up there, so we will go down here. Then we go on with the movement top right. So 7, 8. Imagine there's a box over here, and we go down to this corner. So that is 9. Dito, imagine ulit na may box dito. We go on this corner. So, we have 10. Since may number na dito, we will go down here. Tapos, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And if we are on this corner, we just go down here. We have 16. Then imagine there's a box over here, and we go on this corner, so we will have 17 here. Imagine there's a box on the top right, and we will go down here, so 18, 19, 20. May number na dito, so bababa na tayo dito. We have 21, 22. Then imagine there's a box over here, and we will go to this corner. So 23, 24. Then imagine there's a box over here. Then we go down over here. 25. Yan. So we will check if the sum of the diagonals, the vertical lines, and the horizontal lines are all equal. So let's check first your diagonal. 11 plus 12 is 23, plus 13 is 36, plus 14 is 50, plus 15 is equal to 65. Then here 17 plus 5 is 22, plus 13 is 35. 35 plus 30 is equal to 65. This one, 17 plus 24 plus 1 plus 8 plus 15 is equal to 65. And 23 plus 5 plus 7 plus 14 plus 16 is also equal to 65. Then 4 plus 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus 22 is also equal to 65. 10 plus 12 plus 19 plus 21 plus 3 is also equal to 65. 11 plus 18 plus 25 plus 2 plus 9 is also equal to 65. Let's go on your vertical rows. Okay, so 25, 16, 22, 3, and 9 is also equal to 65. 8 plus 14 plus 20 plus 21 plus 2 is also equal to 65. 1 plus 7, 13 plus 19 plus 25 is also equal to 65. 24, 5, 6, 12, and 18 is also equal to 65. And 17, 23, 24, 10, and 11 is also equal to 65. So that is your magic square. So let's try an example wherein we are not starting it by 5, by 1. Later on, I will show you another trick for magic square on a 4 by 4 square. And 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, Let's start with number, for example, you want as you want 265 as this is a trick, so it will be equal to 265. So 41, we start with number 41, and just like the movement we had on the last example, we move here 42, 43, we go here, then here 44, 41 to and 45, 45, and since may number dito, we go down here 46, 47, 48. Imagine there's a number here, we go down here 49. Then imagine there's a box here, we go here 50. Since my number dito, we will go down 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Then we go down here 56. Imagine there's a box here, so we go here 57. Imagine there's a box above here, so we go down here, we will have 58, 59, 60. Then may number dito, so baba na tayo 61, 62. Imagine may box dito, punta tayo dito 63, 64. Imagine there's a box above here, so we go down here, that's 65. So yan. So all of these, the diagonals are equal to 265. This part, and 265 lahat yan. And the diagonal here is also equal to 265. Yan. Yan. So let's have another trick on magic squares. Another rule or another example.